Hello everyone, my name is Satvik Udara. I enrolled for 2-year integrated course for NEET. I am extremely happy for my success and all credit goes to my parents, my grandparents and my teachers. Respected Chairman Sir and CEO Sir at Akash motivated and inspired me every now and then through his personal interaction and motivational speeches, which are oriented towards cultural values along with providing respects to our parents and elders. This is unique feature at Akash Institute.
भगवान ने आपको बहुत एनर्जी दी है, बहुत सरप्लस है, सब कुछ पा सकते हो, लेकिन उसके लिए तुम्हारी हंगर भी तो होनी चाहिए, पाने की भूख भी तो होनी चाहिए। तो इसलिए सबसे पहले ज़रूरी चीज़ है कि हमें पता होना चाहिए हम क्या लाइफ में बनना चाहते हैं, क्या हमारे गोल हैं।
The faculty at Akash is highly experienced and well qualified. The atmosphere is competitive, which helps us to inculcate a competitive spirit in us. Personalized attention is given in classes, which help to analyze our performance.
The cell reaction involves ions, whose concentration changes the cell potential.
Akash provides standardized content and coaching methods, which help us to prepare well for the exams. The best thing about Akash is that it follows a systematic academic delivery model and that enhances our conceptual knowledge base. The faculty members make constant efforts to reach out to us and pay close attention to our needs. The faculty helps us in our day-to-day academic studies. Daily attendance checks are conducted, regular parent-teacher meetings are conducted. I feel that the environment at Akash is conducive for learning. Akash provides with modern infrastructure. The classrooms are comfortable and properly lit. The library is well stocked. There are iTutor labs. Akash provides high quality study material. The study materials contain illustrative theory and application based questions. The contents of the study material are provided in the form of questions and corresponding answers, which simplifies the learning process. Study material also include significant points and summaries of each topic, pictures and illustrations and question papers from previous year board examinations, which help us to easily understand and memorize the content. Multiple questions are provided in the study material, which help us to face various competitive examinations. The study materials are updated with the latest curriculum. A series of tests and examinations are conducted each fortnight and term, which helps to evaluate our preparation and prepare us well to face the various board and other competitive examinations. We are provided with a printed model answer paper after each examination along with the marking scheme, which clarifies our doubts on various questions asked in the examination. Mock examinations in a manner similar to various board examinations are conducted in order to offer us a realistic experience. It helps to boost our confidence to face the board examinations. During the COVID pandemic, Akash conducted more than 100 mock tests, which were very well analyzed by expert faculty. It helped me a lot to analyze my weak areas. Akash provided doubt classes via Zoom and one-to-one phone calls with teachers, which helped me to continue my study even during COVID pandemic.
To be again, the null deflection is found at N1C. So this length is now L2.
So it was the genuine effort of Akash which helped me to secure 7th rank even during the COVID pandemic. Our results in the fortnightly tests and term examinations are reviewed and evaluated continuously, which helps us to identify our mistakes and improve them. These sessions aim at clearing our concepts, thereby leaving no room for doubts. There is a specific arrangement of subject-wise efficient teachers. We are able to ask all the doubts we have.
ये जो एवरेज वाला पार्ट है ये -0.4 डेल नोट होगा और ऊपर वाला जो होगा 0.6 डेल.
Library at Akash is well maintained and enriched by foreign author books along with the best Indian author books, which may be required for preparation along with study package. Throughout the program, additional expense on books are not required. iTutor is the best platform provided only by Akash Institute in the country, which helps to make us learn and prepare all classroom lectures which we could not attend due to factors like illness or any other disturbances. iTutor includes recorded lectures by best faculty member of Aakash and provides actual classroom teaching environment. I would like to thank my parents, faculties at Aakash and infrastructure provided at Aakash which helped me in securing 7th rank. Therefore, I suggest all medical aspirants to come and experience the success at Aakash because it is the best platform to crack all types of medical entrance exam.